AI-generated slides can save a huge amount of time, but most presentations still need a few edits before they're fully polished and ready to present. The good news is that Gamma AI makes editing slides very simple, even for beginners. So in this guide, I'll show you how to edit AI-generated slides in Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you enter the dashboard, open the AI-generated presentation you want to edit. Before editing, quickly review all the slides to understand the structure, content, and design generated by the AI. Now click on any text box to edit the wording directly. So you can rewrite titles, shorten paragraphs, fix mistakes, or add your own information. If a slide contains too much information, split the content into smaller sections or create additional slides. Simpler layouts usually look more professional, and that's your full guide on how to edit AI-generated slides in Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to customize and improve AI presentations quickly and professionally.